Honey, the ancient blood purifier. What if something in your kitchen right now could help your body cleanse itself naturally? No expensive detox products. No complicated routines. Just one simple ingredient, honey. But here's the catch, most people are using it the wrong way. Welcome to Healing Powers of Honey channel. In today's video, we're breaking down how taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey daily can support your body, especially your blood and overall health. What does blood purification mean? Let's be clear, your body already cleans your blood. Your liver and kidneys handle that job every single day. So when we talk about purifying your blood, we really mean supporting these organs to work better. Why honey works? Raw honey contains powerful compounds like antioxidants, enzymes, and natural antibacterial properties. These can help reduce stress in your body caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. When your body is under less stress, everything works better. Here's the simple habit. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey daily. You can take it directly, or mix it with warm water, or even add lemon. What happens in your body? When you take honey consistently, you will start noticing better digestion, more stable energy, reduced inflammation, and improved overall balance in your body. Warning, not all honey is equal. This is where most people get it wrong. Processed honey loses many of its natural benefits. Some brands even add sugar or syrups. If you want real results, choose raw, unprocessed honey. Caveat: honey is natural, but it's still sugar. If you have diabetes, be careful. Consult a doctor for advice. Never give honey to babies under 1 year old. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe for more, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.